Hello and welcome to the first proper Triple Fix vlog where all of us are going to be in the same vlog together. So today we're on our way to Big Brother's Bit on the Side. They got in contact with me last week because I applied for tickets and they finally got back to me. So we're going to London today to be in the audience tonight. So I'm just on my way to pick up the other two, and then I think we're going to vote because it's the poll voting thing, political thing today. Don't know who I'm voting for, but we'll see. We just got to go to our own separate polling stations though because of our area we live in. I ordered a tripod for the camera but it didn't arrive, so currently you're sat on blue tack. So if you fall off, then you fall off and my camera's broke. There's Triple Fix number 2! Woo woo woo!
Here we are at the polling station for Glenn's vote. Who's he going for? Labour, UKIP or Conservatives? We'll soon find out.
Triple Fix 2!
UKIP fan, here she comes, Karen May.
How'd it go, lover?
The ones with Celia, is that new shit?
Oh, that's the wrong one.
You're the wrong one. Round 2. Who did you vote for? Good girl.
Can't we get hate on Facebook? How did you?
Do you want the book?
Where's the book again?
Get the book here, mate. Wait, can
Alright.
How do I fucking hold on?
Oh no.
Yes.
Because I've got a bit of exclusive news later about an eviction twist tomorrow night. And from the not so United Kingdom of Big Brother to the far-flung reaches of somewhere in Greece. I mean, pre-Brexit negotiations and all that. Right, let's hope our guests are a little bit more vocal than Annie. Are you okay? No, it's fine. Join us on this historic night. Is there a doctor in the house? No, there's one on the panel. It's Dr. Ange! And finally, if there wasn't enough love on the panel already, it's Towie's answer to Imran and Sukhvinder. It's Golden Couple, Tommy Mullen, Jordan.
Disgusting.
You're not a fan?
Can't stand up. He's too big-headed. I can't handle it.
Got no personality.
Not got no personality.
She's really lovely.
Oh dear! So we've got time for a moment to thank you to all of my guests and our fantastic audience. And of course, Annie Quinn the mannequin. There she is. Annie Quinn. Come on, Annie. In you comes her. Bye-bye, darling. Bye-bye, darling. I'll be back here tomorrow just after 10:30 with your first evict team. Got Stacey Francis, Tom Reed Wilson from Celeb Show Dating, and the legend that is Claire Sweeney. Until then, see you for eviction tomorrow.
Just excuse the burnt face, right? Because I went to Devon and burnt my face, didn't put no sun cream on, my fault. Anyway, moving on to the vlog. So I just want to explain this part of the vlog. So basically, after a bit on the side, me, Daniel and Cara, we drove over to McDonald's, which was across the road, and then there was these youths outside of McDonald's, little kids, young teenagers, I don't know what there was. Anyway, so we parked up, we all needed the toilet, and then Cara was like, these people are gonna like throw abuse at us, I know they are, blah blah blah. So he gets out of the car, we walk to McDonald's, and then straight away these young youths start throwing abuse at us, saying stuff like, look at them, hold your bumholes, gay boys, blah blah blah. You know how young youths are, knobheads anyway. So then we went in McDonald's, we went to the toilet, and then we came back out and they started doing it again and again, and we had enough of it, and Cara had a go at them. We get back in the car and we think, hang on a minute, we're not having none of that. At this day and age as well, it's ridiculous. So we went round the drive-thru, was going to get food anyway, and then we thought we'd order a few extra drinks. And there's a lot of bad language in the clip coming up, so prepare yourself.
Make sure you do it. Oh my god, there's bear kids over there. Oh, go drive fast! If you're behind you, love.
Oh my god!
Put your window up!
We're coming, look, quick!
Go, just drive! Drive as well! Drive! Fat cunt! Go!
You fat little prick, you ugly little cunt! Little fat prick! Fuck it, fuck it!
He's gonna lose in there.
He's got it on wrong, hasn't he?
I have no faith in him.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, Daniel! Daniel!
2, 3.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hubert. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo!
Thank you, Debbie. Was it?
Oh.
Thank you, Debbie and Mom.
Let me
You ain't got diabetes, have you?
Squeeze! Squeeze!
You ain't got diabetes, have you?
Can't see in this light.
Oh, look at
No, he was tested.
No, that's not enough more.
Are you joking?
Squeeze! That's it.
Should be about 4. 3 or 4.
On the beach.
did tell her. Mary Mays. Mays. It's good for a travel lodge, isn't it? I've seen no time. You got no chance. Oh yeah.